So I have a couple basic items here that I'm going to use to make my pita pizzas. Aluminum foil is one of your best friends in the wilderness. It can be utilized several times over. It's very versatile and it's really, really good for cooking out in the wilderness. I have some shredded cheese. We also have some basic pepperoni, some kind of tomato paste or tomato sauce. I use the paste just because it keeps its shape a little bit better. The base of our pita pizzas are going to be pitas. All right, so for this one, I'm gonna do more of a traditional pizza. So just kind of spreading the sauce out like you would if you were making a pizza at home. I'm not crazy about tomato sauce, so I go a little light on it. You might be a fan, so you could do a chunky tomato sauce. But I'm all about the toppings. So I really like cheese. Mine will have quite a bit of cheese. And then the last thing you want to add is going to be your pepperonis. It's starting to look a little bit like a pizza. So once we've got all of our elements, we are going to put it into our aluminum foil. And that's going to protect our pizza from the heat a little bit, but also to allow it to conduct some heat and keep our food warm.
I got it.
Yay!
All right.
Woo! Alright, so this one is starting to get some good charring on the aluminum foil, which tells me it's probably about ready. It's also been about 5 or 10 minutes. So be careful, even though aluminum foil doesn't get very hot, when you peel it back, you want to give it a little bit of space to air out, just because it's going to be kind of steamy. And it looks like some of our cheese stuck to the top, but overall, it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to pull this, and then I'll show you what I'm really looking for, is a crisp bottom. And there we go. There's that kind of pizza oven char that you want to see.
Oh, it's good.
Is it? Yeah. And one of the best things you can do when you're camping is to share.